How to create a Bitget account. Hello everyone. Bitget is a global cryptocurrency exchange, where you can trade and invest in a wide variety of coins. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitget account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Bitget, visit coinaz.net/Bitget. Or click on the Bitget account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email address or phone number, and create a password for your account. Make sure to read the password requirements carefully. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Check the box to agree to Bitget's terms and policies. Click Create Account. Next, select the icons in the correct order, and click OK. Bitget just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Bitget just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. Your account has been successfully created. Please complete identity verification to access all Bitget services. Click Verify now to get started. Now, I'll go through the personal verification process. If you want to switch to business verification, click here. Click Verify now. First, select your country or region of residence, and the country or region where your document was issued. Next, choose the type of ID you want to use: ID card, passport, and driving license. I'll choose ID card. Then, click Continue. Click Continue. Bitget will ask you to complete 2 steps. Provide your ID, and complete facial verification. Click Start Verification. Click Agree and continue to confirm. If you want to change the document's issuing country, click here. Then, select a document type for verification. Bitget offers 4 options: passport, driving license, ID card, and residence permit. Click Continue. Here are the requirements for verification. Click Continue. Select Allow to access the camera, and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. Your identity verification is under review. Bitget will notify you once it's completed. Click Back. To secure your account, click Security. I'll show you how to secure your account using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. There are 3 steps to successfully link Google Authenticator. First, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. If you can't scan the QR code, you can enter this code manually. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Select Allow to access the camera. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to Bitget and enter this code. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Click Submit. Bitget requires email verification. Click Send to receive the code. Bitget just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email and enter the code. Click Confirm to complete the process. You've successfully linked your Google Authenticator app. I've completed the guide on creating a Bitget account. Wishing you success.